Iowa and Indiana, Big Ten women's basketball. Need we say more, as this has been one of the most anticipated regular season matchups that you'll remember for several years.
No mercy, together.
The Hawkeyes, winners of 13 in a row. Likewise for the Hoosiers. Well documented about the weather.
Attack mindset when we're on offense, all right? You're ready. Let's be disciplined and go out there and go 1-0. Let's go.
And it should be a terrific atmosphere for a top 15 matchup, and also on the line, the Big Ten lead heading into next week.
Indiana in red, Iowa in white. And here we go from Carver Hawkeye Arena in Iowa City. Davis steps into a J.
Davis can shoot the three.
Stolke down court, lays it up and in from the half-court pass from Caitlin Clark.
Clark step back three. In the gym range. Clark. Step back three again. Boom. Catch. Stolke outside. Gabby Marshall. Davis takes the bump and the foul. Molly Davis has been excellent here in this first half. Davis. Nice. Backdoor look and Goodman breaks it in.
Clark. Deep three, left wing, got it! Swish for Clark.
6 seconds, here comes Clark. Got free, up, yeah. Caitlin Clark, she's fouled her touch, and that's the end of the first half. To Clark, wraps it around, Gabby Marshall, and she buries the jump shot. Clark, head shoulder, trying to find that shot. Caitlin Clark, stolen away by Clark. Outlet pass, Molly D, front court, got it up, and in. Gabby Marshall, he continues to stroke the rock with confidence. Oh! That's Golden. Crossover, wraps it around, deep, and another jam. This time it's a falter. And the Iowa fans on their feet. They enjoyed the show. And the Hawkeyes certainly put one on.
I thought our players really played well together, defensively and offensively.
Great job. I'm really proud of you. This is a good win for us, and we're going to keep it going, right?